Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's early morning and I am about to get my workout in real quick. However, I'm not running this morning. I'm doing some different type of workouts this morning, kind of incorporating some dumbbells and stuff. It's early, so let's get this workout in and I'll chit chat with you guys just after my session. Man, that's a wrap, you guys. Workout is done for this morning. Whew. Oh, I'm so tired, but I'm feeling accomplished. I'm feeling good, and that's all that really matters. Get it in, get it done, get it out the way. Morning session's done. Hopefully I can get a good run in outside later to just finish my day on a good note. On that note, I'm going to go get myself freshened up, look after this little sweetness over here, and get on with our day. So make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys start off your day right. Start off your day on a positive note. Enjoy the week, enjoy the work week, whether work, school, whatever the case may be. Make it positive, stay motivated, be good, and if you can't be good, be careful. Let me just show you my lunch real quick before I dig in, even though Tyler started digging in already. So I'm having chicken breast, which I just did in some olive oil, and some leftover akis just with some lettuce. Tyler just wants it already. Come. You guys, I was so tired this morning after. Look at him.
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Yeah, I was so tired after working on this morning. No, I just had to take a nap with Tyler while he was napping. So I just woke up from my nap, and well, we both just woke up from our nap. No, baby, put it back. And actually having some lunch. I'm going to just dig into this food real quick. I'm going to go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today. Thank you, baby. This is your book. He loves to write. This little boy loves books so much. The Jamaican expression for today is "Cornful dog nyam dirty pudding." This Jamaican expression simply means never say never. You might say never to something today, but come tomorrow, I guarantee you that you'll regret that you said never, because you'll eventually do what you said you weren't gonna do. So scornful dog nyam dirty pudding. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. I'm excited to see how baby is gonna say this one when he gets home, and of course at that time he'll also give you guys the French expression for today. And yes, he's off to work. I don't think he had vlogged this morning, but you guys will see him as soon as he get back home. Ella is here just chilling and playing. You know, right? Right. E O A B A B B. You're creating your own little artwork. Sweet boy. B. Blue. What color is the pencil? What color is this? Yellow. Right, that's yellow. Yellow.
Hey! Why are you watching the TV so close? Huh? Why are you watching the TV so close? Come and sit and watch the TV. Come. Come and sit. Die! What are you looking for? Mama is not pregnant. So I don't know what you're looking for under there. What are you looking for? Huh? Don't do that. Don't try to tell me something. Come. Get up. Don't watch the TV so close. It will damage your eyes. You just want to show me your skills? You're so funny. Alright, bye-bye. Don't watch the TV so close, okay? Sit. Good boy. Alright, you guys, so that's dinner for tonight. Dinner is ready. And everybody's happy. Tyler love corn. He super love corn. If I don't stop him, he'll eat all the corn in everybody's plate. So I'm going to give him his corn right now, and then he'll have his dinner in an hour time, because it's not yet his dinner time. But I'm gonna go ahead and have my dinner, because hopefully I can digest and go for a run by the time babe gets home. So yeah, I'm about to grow up right now. These boys are real Jamaican. Look at him and his corn. Eat your corn, baby. Eat your corn. He loves corn. Sweet boy. Kill that, baby. Kill that. Uh-oh. Tyler finished one of these. I finished one. He finished one. And now he's on his second piece and he's killing it. This boy is a real Jamaican. The Jamaican in him and this corn is so meat. Remind me so much of when we were younger and my grandparents used to cook corn for dinner and give to us. And he's just bringing me back down memory lane. It's just crazy. You want to see a Papa?
Papa?
Yeah, Papa. You gonna see Papa when you go inside?
Papa?
Go. Go see Papa, go.
Papa?
I told you you were gonna see Papa. I told you. You didn't believe me?
Papa?
She's so excited to see Papa. That's your Papa?
I'm sweating.
My sweet man is home, guys.
Yeah, my sweet wife is home too.
He's so silly. You're so funny. So you guys, I decided not to be selfish, because if I go to run at this time when babe gets home tonight, Tyler wouldn't get to spend some time with him, because I would have to go to bed directly. So I'm not going to run tonight, because I have a bunch of stuff that I want to get done, because tomorrow is going to be a super busy day for me, and I don't want to have everything pile up for tomorrow or late tonight, and I really need to get some rest tonight. So I'm actually not going to go on run tonight. Well, that's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. It's all gonna be worth it. At least Tyler is getting to spend some time with babe. Thank you. Hey. Run, Tyler, run, Tyler, run. Get it, baby. Go. Win. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Run. He's tired now. He's tired now. Oh.
It have been a long day. Not long, but not too bad day. Didn't see me this morning because I was
Running late for work.
yeah, because my toes hurting me since a bit of time
His
now.
toes, not tools.
My toe hurting me since a little time now.
Listen, I don't cut you. You guys, my husband is so injury prone. He will hit himself on the table, on the chair, and on some of the weirdest spots in the house, and don't ask me how. And not even Tyler is not hitting himself on those
I
spots.
have to say that most of the time, the morning I have to turn off every light, otherwise Tyler wake up.
Babe.
But for this one, I didn't do it in the dark. I do it in the light.
Even when it's broad daylight outside, baby's hitting himself on something. I promise you. This man hit himself on everything around him.
Well,
don't ask me why.
I'm feeling a little bit better now, but
Well, Tyler is off to bed. And yeah, so we're just going to say good night. And hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell.
you know Jamaican expression today?
Yes, honey, yes. How dare you let me forget. So the Jamaican expression for today is, ready? Scornful dog nyam dirty pudding.
Can full dog nyam dirty pudding.
What? Say it again.
No, at the end I didn't know what to say. I just say randomly. Scornful dog nyam
dirty pudding.
dirty pudding.
Yes.
Dirty pudding?
Dirty pudding.
Pudding.
Alright, it is simple saying a scornful dog eats dirty pudding.
What is scornful?
Scornful is if I said, ew babe, that's nasty, I don't want to touch you, mean I'm scorning you.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to tell you what the phrase means because it's an expression, right? It is simple saying never say never.
Okay.
Yeah. So scornful dog name dirty pudding.
Okay. Damn. I just need to write all of this expression, and next time in Jamaica, people are talking to me and I say, you know, a scornful dog nyam dirty pudding.
You're too hilarious.
Right. The French word for today would be travail. Travail means work. That's the French word for today. Say it.
Travail.
Say it again.
Travail.
Hey, you guys. Tell me what you think about every time there's an R in the sentence, she just first when I tell a word with the R, she just so she become white. She said, travail.
Words
Travail.
are words with R. You guys try saying it
Try saying it and tell me if you don't have problem saying it.
So the next word, I'm gonna find a word with about 5 R and the same word.
Say the alphabet R in French.
R.
Guys, you try saying the letter R in French and tell me if you don't.
R.
It's like you're saying air.
Yeah, you can say it. Arbre.
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 I can't say R to save my life. No matter how I try. Even when I used to go French school, it gave me problem the same.
Herbivore.
Herbivore.
Not
Herbivore.
Not bad.
Say the letter R.
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 Voiture.
Voiture.
Tur. Yeah, not bad.
Alright, you guys, so you guys try saying the letter R in French and then tell me how did you do. Say it, babe.
R.
I won't even try again. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow.